Hello everyone. I want to show you how to access the Padlets for this week for the assignments for April 14th through April 17th for 6th grade. We have two major assignments. There are three tasks in those assignments. The first is the coronavirus article, reading the article and doing the questions. The second is looking at the Padlet for the article and posting and commenting. And the third one is researching and then posting and of course commenting. So those are the three tasks. I want to walk you through this the Padlet tasks. So you're going to click on the first link inside Google Classroom for you. Each class has the same Padlet, so all 6th grade for my students has the same Padlet. And I just wanted to demonstrate for you exactly what you're going to be looking at. So this is an example here. In the right corner, you're going to see this plus sign. You can click on that to add a post, and it pops up just like this. When it pops up like that, you can type a title, you can write something inside, you can attach a link, etc. All the posts are approved by me, so make sure that you are being appropriate on the Padlet and using this for academic purposes. Please also use your first name so I can give you credit for your post, because otherwise I won't know who wrote it. So we have some students here who have demonstrated how they have posted. They've attached their name to it so I understand who it comes from. If you're attaching a comment, please do just like Ethan did over here and attach your name to it so I know who it belongs to. This person made a great comment, but I have no idea who they are. So please add your name so I can give you credit. You can come on in later and say, oh, that was me, not a problem, and I can give you credit that way. So that's how you do the coronavirus article Padlet. If you go back to Google Classroom, the second Padlet gives you the Padlet for Everyday Heroes. Okay, so I obviously look at everything that goes through. There's an approve button and a delete button, and I click approve, and it goes out here to all you folks. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to attach a link here. I've approved her post here, but I can't see her article. So I'm going to say this here. Hello, I enjoyed your comment. However, I cannot view your link. Can you add a link in a comment to this post? Thank you. And I'm adding that comment because sometimes it'll show up like this, and that just means part of the link transferred, part of it didn't. Because if you click on it, it gives you a whoops, found it wrong, it's incorrect. So I want to make sure everyone understands how to do it. Here we've got active links for CBS, forward, WeForum. Additionally, making sure in the comments here you are saying who you are as well so that I know who you are. With me, you know who I am, Miss C, of course. I will already have my name integrated with my comment because I have an account. So just a couple of tips on how to use Padlet. I hope you enjoyed this screencast, and we'll see you next time.